Teacher Jonathan's studio
and Mercy
proudly brings to you
launch of Teacher Jonathan's Online Academy and first lesson.
The figure below, QS bisects angle PQR. Angle QPR is 56 degrees. Angle SRN is 84 degrees. And PQ is equal to PR. QRN is a straight line. Question: what is the size of angle QSR? QSR. Step 1. Line PQ is equal to line PR. Line PQ is equal to line PR, meaning this is an isosceles triangle. So we draw the isosceles triangle here on the side, PQR. Line PQ and PR are equal. We show with these marks that they are equal. Then draw a line here to find the two angles that are equal, because in an isosceles triangle, two lines are equal and two angles are equal. So this line guides you that this is an independent angle. The remaining two, Q, the angle formed at Q, and R are the same. So in this isosceles, to get these two angles which are the same, we know the three angles add up to 180 degrees. So we get 180, we subtract 56, then we get 124. This 124 is for the two base angles which are the same. So we divide by 2. We get each of the base angle is 62. So the angle formed at Q is 62. The angle formed at R is 62. And when we come to the diagram here, 62 is for both this angle and this one, because we have taken the whole isosceles. So 62 is the two of these angles and this angle here, this angle and the two of these angles. So this is 62, these two angles here, and this angle here is 62 in this isosceles. So in the isosceles triangle, we have the base angles are 62, each of them. The one given was 56, and we drew a line here, and then we subtracted 156 from 180, we got 124, then we divided by 2 to get the two base angles, which is 62 and 62. We were told line QS bisects angle PQR. So from the original diagram, this line QS bisects angle PQR. We draw that diagram on the side here. This is angle PQR, and then line QS bisects that angle. To bisect is to divide an angle into two equal halves. So this angle has been bisected, divided into two equal halves. Angle PQR, which was 62 degrees, now has been bisected by line QS. When you divide 62 by 2, you get 31. So each of these two angles formed here is 31, 31, because QS has bisected the angle, divided it into two equal halves, forming 31, 31. Line QRN is a straight line. A straight line, angles in a straight line are called supplementary angles, and they add up to 180 degrees. We already know two of the angles. We know this is 84. We got this one 62 when we were getting the angles of the isosceles. So we have this one is 62 and the given one is 84. So when you come to the straight line QRN, these three angles formed here should add up to 180. So to get this remaining center angle, we get 180, subtract the sum of these two, so that we get the remaining to make it 180. So we get 180 minus into bracket 62 plus 84. So we first add these two given and we subtract from 180 to get the remaining, which is 34. So when we add 62, 34 and 84, we get 180. So the reason why we're told it's a straight line was to help us to get this angle here. So now we know we have already got this is 62 when we're working the isosceles. We have got now this is 34 and the given one was 84. Step 4 and the final step. We already now have almost every need. We have filled the isosceles, we have 62, and this QS bisected this 62 to form 31 and 31 degrees. We got 34 using this straight line here. So now we want to get angle QSR, this angle here. So what we are going to do is now to use this triangle here, that triangle I'm drawing there, and this line here and the exterior angle here to get this angle we want. So follow me in the next step to get the answer. This triangle here which I'm trying to draw here is the one we are going to use to get the remaining angle here. I've drawn it on the side here, and there is a property of triangles that we are supposed to know, that in any triangle the sum of two interior angles, interior means inside, equals to the opposite exterior angle. So if I add this interior angle plus this interior angle here, which we don't know, I should get the sum should be the same as the opposite exterior. These two added together, this angle here plus this angle here, should equal to this exterior angle here. This is an exterior angle and it's equal to the sum of these two opposite interior. So the ones which are opposite, remember this one is not opposite, so we are not including this one here. The angle formed here is not opposite 84. The opposite angle is this one and this one. So 31 plus this angle given here should give us 84. So what I need to do is to get 84, subtract 31, so that I get the remaining, this angle here, which when added to 31 gives 84. So I get 84, which is the exterior angle, and this exterior angle is made up of this angle and the other interior angle here. So to get the remaining interior angle, we get this exterior 84, subtract 31 to get 53. We could have also used this triangle, again the interior angles, we know that they add up to 180. So if we get this 31 plus this 2, 62 and 34, which gives us 96, and we subtract from 180, we should be able to get this angle here, because interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. So if I add this angle plus the whole of this angle here, 31 plus 96, which gives me 127, then I subtract from 180, I should get this angle here. But the easiest of all is to remember that in any triangle, the sum of two interior angles equals to the opposite exterior. So these two angles added together, 31 plus this angle here, should give me 84. So to get this angle here, QSR, I simply get 84 minus 31. Thank you.
Wow! That was fantastic, Mercy.
Oh, yes, Ben. Finally, my dreams come true. Please, Ben, tell our viewers what's up next.
with pleasure. Coming up next is actual learning in all subjects. Not forgetting, we are also starting a drama series.
Bye.
Bye, and see you in class.